Oh, this is part 2 of our lightning adventure, trying to see if we can get any lightning on this video here and upload it to Facebook so people can see this high desert storms that are coming down between Fallon and Lovelock, Nevada. Boy, there were some big streaks going across the sky. Just a second ago, I stopped the other film. I don't know if I got it on video or not, but oh my goodness, what a show. So I'm going to let this run for about 1 more minute and see if we can catch another one. Whoa. You can see pretty much surrounded by nothing but sagebrush out here. Not much going on. A few wild bulls in the road once in a while. Yep. La tormenta, los rayos y trueno. Aquí en Nevada, estado de Nevada, Estados Unidos, Norteamérica. Estamos esperando rayos en el cielo. A ver. Come on, man. You can do it. You know you wanna strike. Lightning striking again. You know you need to do it. You know you need to plow across the sky. Whoa, come on, man. And I don't dare turn this off as it won't strike again. Kind of a nice highway, nice and calm out here, huh? Yeah. It's cruise control highway. Don't make a liar out of me. Come on, lightning, do your thing. I should have been filming it earlier, but there was so much rain coming down, it was almost dangerous to film it. It's just so crazy. This open land, flat land lightning storms. You can do it anytime you want. Almost 2 minutes have gone by. 3 minutes. Come on. So I jump out there, run across the desert, a strike lightning will come and hit me right in the top of my head. That's the way it works, huh? And those are just great drains, I think, Dave. I don't think they're for the cows. They're for the... I have to ask somebody. Oh, there we go. Whoa! Light show. Ooh, did you see that one vibrating? Off to the left over there? Yep. Come on, let's get a strike. Come on, batter up. 3-2 count. Bases loaded. Bottom of the 9th inning. You want to walk off home run or even a single to drive in 2 runs? You can do it. Oh, that's a nice travel trailer. Oh, that has motorcycles in it. Probably. Yeah, probably carrying motorcycles or a race car. Ah, bummer.
Might get one over there, friends.
You think so? We'll see. It's playing games. It was like freaking doing it for like 5 minutes straight. I'm not quick enough on the draw, I guess. I don't know. Well, over and out.